Genesis is really well known for doing some awesome things in Agile. And I guess, different businesses in the room that we work with are in different stages of this journey. I guess what are your top tips on, how do you actually go about that? And then also some of the lessons learned along the way that you wish you'd known.
So it's been about 3 years since Genesis started the Agile journey. And along the way, I think the things that we learn the most is that we want to be agile and not do agile. And I think the difference is that we bring in the principle of agile, which for me nailed down to three things: the permission to fail, the license to create, and the expectation to succeed. And I think we started out with an analyst team where each analyst would be dispersed into a different squad, and the whole point of getting a squad together with people from different functions is to get the product out to the customer as fast as possible. And so the requirements of the TAM from an analyst perspective is to do things in the moment, creating lists, doing very quick analysis. And I think along the way we've learned that there's a missing piece around the foundation of analytics that's missing when you disperse all the analysts into different squad. For example, the churn propensity model, the customer lifetime value model, all those foundation cannot be accomplished when you have analysts in different teams. And the lack of brain power when the analysts come together and utilizes different skill sets. One's really good with modeling and one's really good with triangulating data points. That create the value that otherwise we wouldn't have. So I think after about 6 months we realized that we would create more value if we pull back the analysts together and create our own squad. And I think the lesson learned is that we're still taking all the principle in terms of how do we prioritize backlog, creating the conversation with stakeholders and manage that. But we want to make the concept of Agile work for us and not us as a servant of a concept. So I think we're still evolving over time, and I feel that that's the core of Agile, is that to just make it work for us. If it doesn't work, we change it up. There's nothing to lose.